Hi, I'm Rekha, your sugar makeup expert for today, and we have Pallavi with us as my model.
Hi.
The good news is, with the right product and the techniques, you can reduce the appearance of the textured skin. Before applying makeup, it is important to use a good primer. That way, the makeup won't accentuate the pores or settle into it. Here, I'm going to use the Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. To apply primer, take a little on the back of your hand. Apply it wherever you feel the need. It minimizes shine and prevents oil from disturbing your makeup. For her foundation, I'm going to use the Ace of Face foundation stick, shade number 35 Frappe. To apply the foundation, I'm going to dot it all over her face. This is a medium shade with neutral undertone. You should always dab the product on your face and not drag it. This helps to settle the product on the skin rather than disrupting the face. I'm going to use the Dream Cover SPF 15 Mattifying Compact in shade number 15 Cappuccino. This is a light medium shade, and applying it under the eye nicely to knock off the shine and on the T-zone. And wherever you see excess oil or shine. So if you see, the focus is now shifted from open pores to an overall matte face. But your job doesn't end here. What you need to keep in mind is that you don't add colors on the areas which enhances the pores. So we have applied blush in a way that it gives structure to her face, and that is a little conventional way, that is applying the blush, not bringing it all the way to the cheeks, but slightly here and then pull it upwards. So there you have it, in 4 simple steps, a smoother looking base makeup. Hope you liked this video. So what are you all waiting for? Click on the links in the description below. Like, share, subscribe to Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel. Until then, bye.